Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me Jerry from UniqueTutorials. Today, I would like to share that how you can purchase Google Playstore Apps or games using the Mobile Talktime Balance. You heard it right, yes, using the Mobile Talktime Balance. These features may not be available in all countries, but right now it's available in the country like India. So let me show you by going in the Google Play Store how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open the Google Play Store. So once you open, just tap on this icon, and after that you can go to the payment methods. Now here you can see the available options. As you can see here, the available options, even you can purchase using your bank accounts. And the good thing is that I'm using a Vodafone cellular network, so I can purchase using the Vodafone Talktime Balance. You can see here you can add purchase directly to your Vodafone bill. Yes, I have not enabled it right now. Yes, it works definitely. I've tried it earlier before also. So once you enable it, you can make a payment. And one more good thing for the Indian users also, that they can make or add a bank account with the Beam UPI ID. That's also available right now for the Indian peoples. Right now the Idea cellular network, which I'm also using, is not available to purchase any apps or games in the Play Store, but you can use your bank account like the State Bank of India or any bank, or you can use the Google Play balances, like which you can earn from the Google reward apps applications. So using these features, you can purchase any apps or games, any books which are mainly paid. Suppose, let me show you some examples of premium apps. Suppose you can see here the price. You can see here like 490, 15 rupees that you can purchase using your mobile talktime balances. So in this way, it is very convenient if you are not having any bank accounts, or if you're a student that does not feel like purchasing any apps using your bank accounts or any debit cards. So you can use your mobile talktime balances to purchase any apps or games that are available in your Google Play Store applications. So I hope you find it useful, and please click on the thumbs up button if you like it, and thumbs down too if you do not like it. And please support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.